Hello, everyone. There is a girl. There is a girl. Her name is Lily. Her name is Lily. Lily feels bored. She feels bored. Lily has an idea. She will go to a friend's house. Lily gets her bag and goes outside. She gets her bag and goes outside. Lily sees a house. Lily sees a house. It's a big house. This house is her friend's house. Lily goes to the door. Lily goes to the door. She knocks on the door. The door opens. Lily sees her friend. Lily sees her friend. They both smile. They both smile. They are both happy. Lily and her friend go to the room. They go to the room. They sit. They sit by the table. The girls play several games. They play several games at the table. Now, Lily is tired. Lily is tired. She is sleepy. Lily is sleepy. It is time to go home. Lily says goodbye to her friend. Her friend says goodbye to Lily. They both say goodbye. Lily goes home happy. Lily goes home happy. She had a fun time at her friend's house. Lily had a fun time at her friend's house. Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.